Get this passenger side header to clear. I don't know, man. See, yeah, see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Shorty headers will clear, but what the hell's the point of running shorties? What brand were these? Were these hookers? What's
I think they're DynoMax.
DynoMax?
Yeah, a lot of them used.
Driver's side header goes in not so bad. What'd you pay, 40, 50?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. Yeah, not terrible. They're not showpieces. We got to figure out what to do about the passenger side because the ear on the transmission is in the way. Okay, so how long did it take us to get this passenger side header in?
It's been about an hour.
Yeah, it's been about an hour.
Don't worry, I ain't having a heart attack. Everything's good on me except my liver.
Yeah. Had to bust cherry picker out. I'll pull that through bolt on that side and completely remove the clamshell motor mount on this side. And we don't even know if the stuff's going to clear when we drop it back down. I'm assuming it will. It should. We like headers, Drew?
No.
We hate headers. We hate them. So we're going to get the motor mount back in and hopefully everything goes back together hunky-dory. Actually, you don't have a starter, do you?
Somewhere.
Saying when you get the engine jacked up, put the starter in. Yeah, another time.
Another time.
Another time. Who the hell would have thought it would have been that much heartache to put in small block Chevy headers?
I put headers on G-body before a small block. I don't remember it ever being that bad.
Well, we were fighting NV3500. So, headers are in, mounts are back in.
Anybody doing that swap, you'd be better off probably put the header inside the engine compartment and then drop the motor in.
You heard him. Let's look underneath. Like a car with headers. Oh my goodness. Collectors don't hang that low. That's not bad at all.
It won't clash with my hubcaps and white walls.
Yeah, he's got them hubcaps and white walls. Super sleeper status. That's not bad at all, dude. I don't like where they put the zoom in this thing. I keep fingering it. That is not bad at all, man.
Time to bust out the credit card and go to Summit. Get an exhaust.
Whose credit card?
Yours.
You use my credit card. Not too much carnage on the oil pan.